Today's Bible story is Elijah prayed and God sent rain. 3 years with no rain, so the animals had no grain. No food grew for the people to chew. God told Elijah to see the king who reigns. Then God would send rain. Elijah went to the mountaintop to pray for God to grow a crop. Elijah sent his helper to the sea, but no clouds did he see. His helper saw on day 7 dark clouds in the heavens. The wind blew, the rain poured, plants grew, people thanked the Lord. First John 5:14 in the Bible, God says, if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. You can pray too, asking God for things in His plan.